Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So are you injured, sick, or maybe on a vacation? You do not want to lose your training plan. You just need a break basically. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to pose a Garmin training plan in Garmin Connect app. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first we're gonna go through what you cannot actually pose. So you cannot pause the Garmin Coach plan itself, since there is no snooze for 2 weeks button. The calendar keeps sending workouts each day. But there is something way better. You can pause training status. So for example, I'm gonna go all the way, open my Garmin Connect app. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet since you're gonna need to log in using your email address and password. Then tap on more or this three-dot menu. As you see here, we have multiple options, including activities, head stats, training and planning, gear, insights, and all of this whatsoever. So for example, we're gonna go to activities. As you see, you can create manual activities. We're gonna go back to training. We're gonna go to workouts. And here you'll be able to see your basically old workouts. So if you want to pause the training status, you should go to more, performance status, then tap on training status, scroll all the way down, and tap pause training status. This temporarily disables training load focus, recovery feedback, daily suggested workouts as well. Your watch stops nagging you every day, but your plan calendar stays. You just ignore it. It's kind of like a guilt-free option. But if you want to basically just resume when you're ready, just tap on unpause. It's the same patch, and that's the whole idea here. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.